Hi guys. So today we're going to do painted fireworks. And it's the first craft in this week's packet right here. So you should have a piece of construction paper. It may be blue, it may be purple, maybe yellow. You will also need paint from last week's kit. And if you do not have paint from last week's kit, or you've run out, we have extras here. So you can always swing by and pick up an extra kit of paint, just the paint part. So you'll need the red, white, and blue. Paintbrush, you might need that. Construction paper, and a plastic fork. Okay, so what we're going to do first is we're going to fold our paper in half, just like so. And then we're going to open it back up. You see the crease right here? We're going to take our paint. We're going to carefully open it up. Okay. We're going to take our paintbrush. Or you could just kind of let it drop. And you just need a little dab. I don't know if you can see it. There you go. A little dab will do you. Just a little dab here. And a little dab there. A little dab there. Okay. I'm going to do the same thing with the red, if you can get it open. There we go. Okay. Same thing. All right, we'll do a little dab. And some of the paint is a little thicker than other colors, and that's okay. Okay. And I'm going to do dab right there. Okay. Do white. And you can use other colors as well. You can use the yellow or the green because fireworks come in all colors. So I'm just doing red, white, and blue, but you can do any color. And you want to do this on one side. Okay, so it looks like that. Then you're going to want to fold it in half and run a handle on it. Get all smushy. Get all smushy. Okay. And then you're going to open it back up. It's going to look like that. Right. You'll take your fork. And you're just going to scrape. Okay. Just going to scrape. And the fireworks should start kind of melting together as they explode in the sky. Kind of scrape along. And it can go in any direction. If you need to add more paint, you can add more. If there's not enough to scrape on your picture, you can add more, a little more dab, and that will get you going. But I personally kind of like the ones where they just kind of, They're just there. There's the circles. Because you know, not all fireworks explode. They just kind of, that's what I call it. There's no wrong way to do this. This is your artwork. Your masterpiece of exploding fireworks. Okay? So have fun with this. It might get a little messy, but you know, that's okay. It's meant to be messy. You do as many fireworks as you want or one big firework. Totally up to you. Okay? Have fun with it. I would love to see pictures. And yeah, have fun. See you later.